pike yard. We brought a nuc with a new queen that we had grafted earlier this spring, so we're gonna install it into this 10 frame colony. We've got 10 other frames over there, and so we're gonna make this a 10 frame colony. Now there's 4 frames of brood in here, so they're gonna be growing that. We're just gonna, we have this oriented the same way that it was. So we're just gonna install it that exact same way. Beautiful fresh drawn wax with eggs in it. It's gonna go. Another frame of eggs. She was ready for a little expansion. She was in a 6 frame nuc box initially, so that's why I have 2 of these transport nucs. Larva, merged brood and larva.
There she is, I see her.
Yeah, she was on the same frame earlier.
She's beautiful.
Nice and black. Indiana queen breeders. Look at that.
There's our queen.
So they're going to be a little more different because just in this last, how long's it been? 2 hours or something?
They're like, where's Mama at?
Put them at 10.
Yeah.
Okay. There it is. In less than 5 minutes, we had this nuc installed into a 10 frame box. And they're well on their way of being a 10 frame colony.